Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's video, we've come to Salvatore's Garden Place Hotel in Williamsville, New York. And I'm just going to kind of give a little short tour of the hotel and give a room tour of my room. And now Williamsville is actually a northeastern suburb of Buffalo, New York. And I'll start off, I just want to give a kind of overview of the outside of the hotel. Here is a painting and a sculpture that refers back to that famous photograph of workers working on the Empire State Building in New York City. Now, right next to it, there's this other series of sculpture, and these are all of children at play. And they're outside playing, running around on the trees and with airplanes and pretending things are to be horses. There's a couple adults there as well watching the ongoings. And on the back side of the mural, the painting there's another painting of the park with kids at play. Here above the one entrance, there is a miniature Statue of Liberty. There's some beautiful fountains. Courtyard setting. And a chandelier in the lobby. Look at that lovely chandelier. Here's the kind of main hallway after the lobby area. How beautiful and elegant it looks. Alright, my room is on the 3rd floor, room 376. Got the bathroom there. Take a look at that in a moment. This is just the basic room here at the Garden Place Hotel. Sink is here. Towels, washcloths, soap, shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. Couple nice chairs there. Sit on. This desk it's got a few scratches in it, but it's not, as far as old as this hotel is, it's not bad. Of course, we have the TV, coffee maker, a little mini fridge here. Mini fridge is cleaned. A couple other drawers here. Oh. Well, that's not good. Not touching any of that stuff. They did not clean the cabinet out there. There was alcohol in the cabinet. Telephone here on this nightstand. Oh, good. Good old Gideon's Bible. Love those Gideons. Bed. King size bed. Plenty of room. Doesn't appear to be any bed bugs, but you never know. Hopefully not. Now, I normally don't do this because I try to do these room tours before I bring my luggage in, but my luggage is there. I will be setting it on the luggage rack shortly here as I unpack for the evening. And here is the bathroom, toilet. Well, that's kind of weird. There are mirrors all around. Look, Adventures in TV Land is going on for infinity. Infinity. It's like that. I'm here, but I'm there, and there, and there, and there, and all the way down. All right, we have the shower. Rather simple shower curtain. It's okay. Tiled shower. I like the walls. It's a nice pattern on the walls there. And the ceiling, honestly, for that matter. Now, this is a little different. You have the controls here, but the shower head is over there. I can't say I've seen that before. Controls. Shower head. It is cleaned, though, so that is a very good thing. It is a standard but rather simple room. And if you look along the baseboards here, of course it helps. This is hardwood floor. Well, it's not hardwood floor necessarily, but it is a hard floor. So it makes it easier to clean, keep clean. Right, this is kind of cool. Instead of a tag you put out, you actually hit a button. Do not disturb. Or housekeeping if you need housekeeping. That is pretty darn cool, I'm not gonna lie. Check-in time, 3 p.m. Checkout time, 11 a.m. Now there is this lounge area here on the floor. Kind of a small fitness center, but with a sauna. I love a sauna. Love a good sauna. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land where we gave a room tour and just kind of checked out Salvatore's Garden Place Hotel here in Williamsville, New York. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. If there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you would like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure or any of the adventures in TV Land, you can help support this channel by going to either Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon, or even here just on YouTube, and making a donation or becoming a member. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap. Here is the view out of my window.